We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MMAT MMTLP Inc. continuing to fight in this consolidation, but slightly pulling downwards for most of the day. And it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 7:05 a.m. sent out a bear indicator. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision, into the bell and after the bell, and put options went up 500% plus within hours, guys. And as you see popping up here on the screen, on the options chain, it went much higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description. To our 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with MMAT in a tight range here after falling from way up here in the twos. And I'm going to share with you guys what are the key levels that I'm watching in the inflow versus outflow. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:35 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 150% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and to our Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with MMAT MMTLP Inc. doing a complete transition from the rip area after going from a dip area here on the 6th to the 7th here, from white with red borders to bright green, from now going from bright green to white with red borders here between the 9th and the 12th. And it's been in this tight consolidation for the last several days. If it's your first time coming across the channel, white with red borders is what I call the dip area, bright green bars is what I call the rip area, and 42 vision is what you see here on the screen, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here. And you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MMAT crossing the outflows here on the 30-minute and getting a bear indicator right around that same area where that bull indicator popped up at 138 and right here around 136, finally canceling that out. It was trying to hold itself up here and bounce back up, but it continued to reject when it got around 145, 147 area. And here it is today again, rejecting up here at 148. The same exact area that I rejected before, falling back down from the 12th here to the 13th and this sideways action. So this is going to be critical here as we see a bear indicator now popping up. The outflows are dominating again here on the 30-minute, and same thing here with the 15-minute as it's trying to come back up. And it got that bear indicator here at 140. This is going to be critical. It's done a full transition from a rip area here to red bars. It just hasn't hit a dip area since way back here on the 12th. And also here on the 9th, we've only hit up to red bars in this sideways consolidation and tug of war here between the bulls and the bears, right? So this is critical. What I would watch going into tomorrow is if these inflows could continue here and cross the midpoint to the upside to start reflecting that strength into the chart. Because the last time that the inflows crossed over yesterday, it went from 136 to highs here of 147 and even here at 145. Not guaranteed to make the same exact move, but something to not overlook there once those inflows do start to pick up, it could start reflecting into the charts. And in the process, if a bull indicator can pop up to cancel out this bear indicator here on the 15-minute, and same thing if it could pull up the 30-minute and get these inflows back over, because right now the outflows are dominating. And if you look at the 1 hour, same thing, guys. The outflows are dominating by a very small amount. It's right now at minus 0.01, but outflows below the midpoint can stir up even further weakness. And it's still under a bear indicator since way up here at 212, and the outflows crossed on that same day. And the first time that the inflows crossed back over was here from the 12th to the 13th. Things sat sideways, and then also yesterday when it bounced from 137 to highs here in the pre-market today of 147 to 148. So this is critical, right? Again, on the 1 hour, if those inflows can come back up, I would watch for that. And here on the 30-minute, if this bear indicator can get canceled and if these inflows can come back up and start that staircase effect and get a bull indicator in the process. So I'm going to share with you guys the supports here that I would watch and the resistance. And the first support here is the key one that's been holding this up, and it's 130, guys. It's gotten really close to it at 132 here on December 13th, but since then it's been fighting. So 130 is a key level. I would just round that down from 132 to 130, and then below that is 125, where it found support at 124 here on the 12th. And if that gets broken through, the next support I'll be watching is 120, right? To the upside, the first resistance that I would watch is up here at the rejection of 144, 145 area. Has happened multiple times here in the last several days. And then above that, the 150 mark, right? And in the process, I'll be watching if these inflows can come back over the midpoint, cross back over, start that staircase effect, finding support to break through new resistance, cancel out this bear indicator, and in the process get a bull indicator. And the same thing here on the 15-minute chart, right? Get those inflows as it's trying to get back up. It's a really close one, but still at minus 0.01. And same thing here on the 30-minute at minus 0.02. Now, the longer this consolidation stays and the bulls and bears are putting up a fight, and this bear indicator does not get canceled, even if it comes back up and it comes right back down really fast, or outflows cross over again, let's say it comes back up and then falls right back down even harder, and this never got canceled by a bull indicator, and it keeps rejecting at resistance levels, the more possibility, right? Not guaranteed, but the more possibility that the bears are winning this tug of war, and within this volatility, they're trying to just pull it right back down, guys. A lot of people are speculating the MMAT could squeeze again or continue to put up a fight here at these levels as it stays above $1. But after the MMTLP privatization, MMAT is all that's left. And a lot of investors had both or are watching both. So that's just speculation. Nothing's guaranteed right now. But within the volatility, it's been a big tug of war here after falling big time here from this bear indicator at 223 and those outflows dominating for several days back to back, and a full transition there from the rip area to the dip area, that it came down from the 2s down to the 1s, almost a whole entire $1. So right now it's trying to put up a fight. The bulls are trying to hold it up, but if the bears can break through support levels and try to get this closer to $1, the much weaker this could get, and it could run into issues again of a possible reverse split, which they got themselves out of due to the run that has happened here from October to November. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.